Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to use OTG adapter with pen drive in Vivo Y33s smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. So this one is a OTG adapter. You need to insert the pen drive into the OTG adapter. After inserting, you need to insert the setup to the Y33s phone. Now wait for a few seconds. Now we need to open the settings of the phone. Then choose Bluetooth and devices. Now need to enable the OTG. So after enabling, you need to swipe down the notification panel. Now you can see the option, the SanDisk USB drive. You need to click on that and open with the files. You can explore the pen drive in the file manager. If you want to copy any file from the file manager, you need to click and hold on that. Then choose the three dot buttons. Then click copy to. Then choose your phone internal memory. Then click copy. Now it's on copy to the phone internal storage. So when you want to remove the OTG pen drive, you can't directly remove that. You need to open this notification panel again. Then click eject. So after only you can remove the pen drive. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.